Have you ever wondered where your favorite sweet treat comes from? The story of candy is way longer and more fascinating than you might think. Let's unwrap the sweet history of candy together. Our journey starts around 2000 BC, long before the colorful candies we know today. In ancient civilizations like Egypt and Mesopotamia, people were already satisfying their sweet tooth. Their version of candy was made from natural ingredients like honey, dates, and nuts, often mixed with spices. The Egyptians considered these confections so special that they even offered them to their gods. Imagine leaving a honey nut cluster as a religious offering. As we move into the Middle Ages, a game-changing ingredient arrived in Europe: sugar. Around the 9th and 10th centuries, thanks to expanding trade routes with the Middle East, sugar started to trickle into the continent. But it was incredibly expensive, a true luxury item. If you were wealthy, you could enjoy these sweet delights, which were often handcrafted by apothecaries. These early pharmacists would mix sugar with various spices, not just for taste, but also for their supposed medicinal properties. So, in a way, candy started out as a form of medicine for the rich. The 17th and 18th centuries saw the emergence of more familiar forms of candy. Hard candies, lozenges, and even early versions of chocolate bars began to appear. Confectionery was still a craft for skilled artisans, and the treats remained a rare and expensive pleasure for the upper class. Chocolate, which we now munch on in bar form, was originally enjoyed as a bitter, frothy drink, primarily by royalty and the aristocracy in Europe. It was a status symbol, far from the everyday snack it is today. Everything changed with the Industrial Revolution in the 19th century. This was the turning point for the candy industry. Suddenly, new machines and manufacturing processes made it possible to mass-produce candy. What was once a handmade luxury item for the rich could now be made cheaply and in huge quantities for everyone. This is when many of our iconic sweets were born. Think about the classic candy cane with its festive stripes, or the simple yet brilliant lollipop. These treats, along with the first mass-produced chocolate bars, became widely available and affordable for the first time in history. A fun fact from this era: cotton candy was invented in 1897. And who do you think invented this cloud of pure sugar? A dentist. Yes, a dentist named William Morrison, along with confectioner John C. Horton, created the fairy floss machine. It's pretty ironic that a dental professional helped create one of the most sugary treats imaginable. Another fun fact: the first lollipops, as we know them with the stick, were trademarked in the early 1900s, making it easier and less messy for kids to enjoy a hard candy. The 20th century is when the candy world truly exploded. Candy became cheaper, more colorful, and was marketed as pure fun. This is the era when the candy giants we all know today rose to prominence. Brands like Hershey's in the United States, which perfected the milk chocolate bar, and Mars, the creator of Snickers and M&M's, built their empires. Nestle also became a global powerhouse in the confectionery market. These companies introduced innovative new products and used clever advertising to make candy a part of everyday life and celebrations. From movie theater snacks to holiday traditions, candy was everywhere. And that brings us to today. The world of candy is more diverse than ever before. We have an endless variety to choose from. There are chewy gummies in every shape and flavor, from bears to worms. We have rich, decadent chocolates with fillings ranging from caramel to exotic fruits. For those who like a little thrill, there are intensely sour candies that make your face pucker. We also have candies from all over the world, offering unique and exotic flavors that challenge our taste buds. Candy is no longer just a simple sweet, it's an experience. It's a source of comfort, a celebratory treat, and a little piece of joy that people of all ages can enjoy. From ancient honey cakes offered to gods, to the luxury sugar spices of medieval apothecaries, to the mass-produced chocolate bars of the industrial age, and finally to the global candy explosion of the 20th century. The history of candy is a story of innovation, culture, and our universal love for all things sweet. The next time you open a candy wrapper, take a moment to appreciate the thousands of years of history that went into that delicious little treat. It's a sweet legacy that continues to evolve, one delicious bite at a time. Thanks so much for watching and taking this sweet journey through history with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating stories. See you in the next one.